dear traders, and welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. We'll discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Petar Yakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. This trading week, the euro has been making efforts to resist the American currency. Nevertheless, the euro-dollar pair is expected to close on Friday in the red. Hi Petar, could you please give us your recommendations on the most popular currency pair?
Hello dear traders. On the euro versus US dollar, basically what I found is the confirmed breakout of the symmetrical triangle, and I alerted you about this in my previous forecast to watch for the breakout on upside or downside. But we got confirmed upside breakout, which I also gave more odds in my previous forecast. So I'm still bullish on this currency pair, and my advice to watch for buying opportunities on this currency pair. The first upward target is set at the price of 1.1436. The second upward target is set at the price of 1.1523. And the third upward target is set at the price of 1.1670. This idea, this bullish trading idea, will be invalid if you see the break of the 1.1300, which will confirm that this bullish idea is invalid and the euro might continue to go lower. But for now, since the breakout of symmetrical triangle, series of the higher highs and higher lows, watch for buying opportunities with the first target at the 1.1436.
Likewise, the pound sterling came under pressure this week. What deals would you advise on the pound-dollar pair?
On the British pound versus US dollar, since my previous forecast, basically what happened is that this currency pair didn't trigger the buy signal, since it didn't break the key resistance line that I marked in my previous forecast, and basically the price went lower due to the Brexit deals and a lot of news on that subject. What happened is basically the pound did a sell-off, but it found the support and created a double bottom, and we got a confirmed double bottom formation of this currency pair according to the 4-hour time frame. And I also found that price went to test the lower band, lower Keltner band, which is basically a sign that price went into the three-day 2.5 standard deviations, and it found that there was a big extreme there, and it found support at that point. So that is a pretty bullish sign on this currency pair. So my advice to watch for buying opportunities. The upward targets are set at the price of 1.2760. The second upward target is set at the price of 1.2880. And third extreme target is set at the price of 1.3. Now this idea, this bullish trading idea, will be invalid if you see the break of 1.2500, which is a very good support. And if you see the break of this will invalid. This will negate the bullish trading idea and potentially confirm the further downward continuation. But for now, watch for buying opportunities due to the double bottom formation and solid recovery since the sell-off a few days ago.
The US dollar asserted its strength against the safe haven yen. After a temporary decline, the US currency rebounded on Friday, heading for the best weekly performance since August. Could you please comment on the developments?
Since the USD versus Japanese yen traded basically sideways since my previous forecast, basically what happened is the price went lower 50 pips for my bearish trading opportunity, then it went again into the opposite direction. But in general, it's trading sideways in consolidation. I decided to cover the New Zealand versus US dollar. The reason is because I found that there is a healthy trend on this currency pair. There is a 20-day trend. And that there is a potential running flat bearish correction, and in my opinion, this is about to end, and the new up wave is on the way, in my opinion. So you should watch for buying opportunities. There are also successful rejection of support trend line, and this is another good sign, another good technical confirmation that we may expect further upward price of this currency pair. So watch for buying opportunities on the New Zealand versus US dollar with the upward target at the price of 0.6965. Also, keep in mind the 0.7 is also very important level is also psychological level. This idea will be invalid if you see the breakout on the support at 0.6750. This will negate the bullish trading idea, but for now, absolutely watch for buying opportunities on this currency pair.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations, and see you next week. You've watched the Linkup on InstaForex TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Petar Jakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trading and see you soon.